How many years can the diesel generator set be used? How long is the service life? Hello, many friends are most concerned about the problem of how long the diesel generator set can be used. How long is the service life? The expected service life of the diesel generator set depends on two factors. One is the power of the unit, and the other is the repair and maintenance of the unit. If you use up to 90% of the generator load capacity, there is no doubt that its service life is longer, but if you use a smaller generator set to obtain a larger load, the service life of the generator set will be shortened. Generally speaking, before maintenance, the diesel generator set can last for at least 15,000 hours to 50,000 hours. For example, if the diesel generator set of Yuchai Power Power is used as the main power supply, there is no problem in continuous operation for more than 10 years. If it is used as a backup power supply, there is no problem in continuous operation for more than 30 years. If you choose diesel generator set and choose Dingbo power, it is an ideal choice for enterprise standby power system.